You know what I say, when in doubt, make a video on a hairdryer. And in this case, it's an Oster hairdryer hair styler. It's hard to read. Model 370 Series E. 120 volts, 25 to 60 cycles, 440 watts. John Oster Manufacturing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yeah, sorry. Caution, do not use dryer while bathing. No crap. Paid $1 for it. Figured it was worth $1. It's got cold and hot, off and on. It's all metal except for the handle. It has a metal fan blade in there. You can see it. 3-wing blade. There's the front. But it works. Looks pretty good. Puts out a lot of heat. But yeah, it's an Oster Styler hairdryer. No idea how old it is. I'm gonna guess probably from 60s, 70s. I don't know. But it's got a long cord on it. But anyway, there's that. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.